hope that everything is good for you. So for today's video, I'm gonna share with you this beautiful logo, this beautiful picture that I've been made. She's so beautiful, and I'm gonna give you the steps to do this beautiful logo if you wanna do it. So I'll let you with the video and the music. I'm gonna using the Canva app, and I'm gonna selecting the model that I want. So after that, I'm gonna change in all the things. I'm gonna add in some photos. I'm gonna doing all of the things. If you got any questions, you can question me on the comments, and of course, inshallah, I'm gonna answer. So, and the final, I'm gonna add in a heart. Why? Because I want to erase the logo, and I add just this heart. Thank you so much for watching. So this is the final result. I hope you like it. Goodbye.